In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name automatically in email Getresponse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to personalize your emails so that each subscriber sees their own first name in the subject line or body of the email without you having to type anything manually. Let's start from inside your Getresponse account. First, open the email you want to work on. This could be a regular newsletter that you're sending one time, or an autoresponder that goes out automatically as part of a sequence. Go to your list of messages, find the draft you want, and open it so you're inside the email editor. Once the editor is open, decide where you want the first name to appear. You can add it in the subject line to catch attention, in the greeting at the top of the email, or even in the middle of a sentence for a more personal touch. Click directly into the text block where you want to place the name, or click into the subject line field if you're working on the subject. Now, inside that field or text block, look for the personalization icon. In Getresponse, this usually looks like a small silhouette of a person or a tag symbol with brackets around it. It's often placed above the editor toolbar or near the subject line area. Go ahead and click that icon. This is what tells Getresponse you want to insert a dynamic field that will change for each subscriber. After you click the personalization icon, a list of available fields will appear. These are pieces of information that Getresponse stores for each subscriber, such as email address, name, and other custom details. Scroll through this list until you find the option labeled First Name, or a code that looks like double brackets around the word First Name. Click that option. When you do, Getresponse will insert a placeholder right where your cursor was. It might look like a short code in brackets, but don't worry, your subscribers will not see the code. When the email is sent, Getresponse will replace that code with each person's actual first name from your list. From here, you can type around that placeholder to create a natural sentence. For example, you might start your email with something like "Hi," followed by the first name field, then continue with your normal message. When you're done, simply save your draft, and your email is now set up to automatically include each subscriber's first name.